It's Drive by DIY here today. Got an easy one for you. Vauxhall Zafira rear wiper. Well, you can see what's going on here. Really sunny day today, so might have a bit of a glare. But yeah, you can see what's going on. So I'm going to replace that really quick. It's probably one of the simplest jobs you can do on this car. Oh, look at that as well. It's completely gone. So that won't pass their MOT either. So yeah, we'll get this changed. So this is the one I've got from Bosch, H353. That was a part number I was given. So Bosch is pretty good. The front ones are Bosch as well, and they've been great. So yeah, let's get it swapped out. So the idea here is that you can just see in there, it's like that. Just pops out, and then the other one should just pop straight in. But you're going to need two hands for this, because what you don't want to do is break this arm. So if you break this arm, they're going to go a whole lot of work, which I have got a video on to replace that. But these arms are really well seized on that nut. So I mean, you can change it. You can change this bit here. There's a spring there, and you can undo that, replace just this bit, this part of the arm. But if you're going to break that, then that's a whole load of work to do. So let's just see if we can pop that out as careful as we like. So the idea is that you just sort of turn it up like that, get your hand over it. I've done this a lot of times before, but if you're new to this, you might want to use two hands. And just get your thumb on there and just pop it out, and that just pops out of this bit here. And then the next one will just sort of arm it in like that, and then it'll pop in. So we'll do that now. So the idea is just sort of thread that bit through, and that's it. It just clips in. That's as quick as it, but obviously you need to be really careful on that and make sure it lies down on this bit here. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. But like I say, this whole thing, if you break it from here, then there's a good chance that's going to be seized onto there. You might have to cut it off. And when you're cutting off, what you don't want to do is break the windscreen, because it's all pretty much seized in there. So yeah, so that's it. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.